Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad to have you here. So for today's tutorial, we'll be learning how to make a smoky puff sleeve. A smoky puff sleeve is a very easy sleeve to make. It's a very simple sleeve to make. So what we'll be needing for this tutorial we have a thread, a matching thread. Make sure you have a matching thread to go with your fabric, and the needle. You can see it. Matching thread and needle. We have our chalk, our scissors, our tape, a ruler, and then the fabric. So this fabric is a bridal satin doll face. It's a bridal satin doll face material. So that's it. So as you can see, I've gone ahead to rule my lines, but I'll still explain to you how I did that. But first of all, what I have from here to here is about 26 inches. Then here is about 15 inches. So I have 15, 26. Then you can see that I have gone ahead to rule my line. I don't know if you can see it. Hope you can see it. So as you can see, I've gone ahead to make it bolder, the chalk, make it bolder, more bold for you to see it. You can see it. So what I did is basically this box here is just 2 inch. You can see it. This is 2 inch and this is 2 inch. But then at the extreme end, what I have is just ½ inch. Here, ½ inch. That's for the seam allowance. ½ inch here, ½ inch here, ½ inch here, and then ½ inch here. So that's basically what I did. But then remember that for each of these boxes, what I have here is 2 inch. You see it? 2 inch, 2 inch. So that's that. So where I'm going to tag it, please pay attention. Where I'm going to tag is first of all, I'll start from the edge here. So if I tag here, I'm starting on the first row. If I tag here, I won't tag here. I'll go ahead and tag here. You see, I'm making it more bold for you to see it. So if I tag here, I'll leave here, tag here. I'll leave here, tag here. I'll leave here, tag here. So that's that for this row. Then for the next row, what I'm going to do is, since I tagged here, I'm going to leave here. I'll tag here. I'll leave here. I'll tag here. I'll leave here. I'll tag here. I'll leave here. I'll tag here. So that's what I'll do. Now when I come to this next row, I will tag here. I will leave here. I'll tag here. I'll leave here. I'll tag here. I'll leave here. I'll tag here. I hope you can understand what I'm trying to do. This is just basically how I'm going to do mine. There are different ways to do yours. There are different ways, different styles, different methods to do yours. So it depends on the design you want yours to be. So that's that. So when I'm through with this line, I'll come to this line. I'll leave here. I'll tag here. Leave here. Tag here. Leave here, tag here, leave here, tag here. So that's what I'm going to do till I get to the end. So after marking where I'm going to tag, you can see it, all these dots are where I'm going to tag. I'll now go ahead and bring my needle, fix my matching thread on it. You can see it. Then secure the end. Secure the end. So like I said earlier, all these places I have dots are where is they are the places I'm going to tag. So what I'm going to do is, okay, to start with, I can start anywhere, but make sure that all these dots that you tag them, you can start anywhere, but make sure that all these dots you tag them. So what I'm going to do is, let me start with this. You see it, this is how you do it. Then hold and tag it. Let me explain. You see it here now. I'll just go ahead, take it like this. I hope you can see it. You see it. Make sure you tag it properly and firmly. You can see it. You can go ahead and cut, or if you want to go the extra mile to hold it more firmly, you just use it to like this, like this. Then go ahead and cut. You can see the way it is. Then you go back, secure the end. This one now, watch me as I repeat it. I want to tag this. You just put your hand like this. Do as if you turn it a little bit. You see it. Use your needle and hold it. I hope you see what I'm trying to do. Make sure this I'm tying now is not actually necessary, but if you want to go the extra mile, you know, to just tie it again. But this is not actually necessary. This one that I just tied now. So that's it. You can see the way it is. I want to tag this. You hold it like this. Turn it a little bit. You see it. You see it. You pass your needle like this. You see it. See how I held it. You see it. Pass your needle like this. So this is what you do for all these places that I put dot. This is all what you do. So you can see when we turn it, you can see the shape is coming out. You can see it, the shape is coming out. So this is for one of the sleeve. I've gone ahead to finish the other sleeve. You can see it. Let me keep this one aside. You can see the way it is. You can see it. Then when we turn it over, you can see how beautiful it looks. You can see how beautiful it looks. So as you can see, I've gone ahead to fix this sleeve. You can see it. Sorry, this one, you can see how it looks. See it here. See it here. You can see how it looks beautiful. I used a part of the lace to fix it. So that's what I'm also going to do for this part. I just cut out a part of the sleeve that has the design, that's at the down part. You see it. So what I'll do is just make a stitch here. Then after, when I get to here, then I'll start pleating it, pleating it, pleating it, pleating it, pleating it. If I pleat it, then just sew. You can either pleat or gather it. So after that, you just sew, and then it will come out like this. Then you attach the side, and then you are good to go. So that's that. So let me go to the sewing machine and finish it up. You can see how I did this. You can see how beautiful it looks.